Okay, well, I tried to go live and they told me my channel does not meet the requirements. So there, that is that. Alright, I washed off the Brussels sprouts. So I'm cutting these things off. Okay, maybe I need a better knife. And cutting them in half. Best way to cut them in here. Oh, that's a big one. I need my chopping board. Maybe that's the wrong kind of knife, huh? I have all these knives. I don't know which one is for which, but I think that was a steak knife I was using. Oh yeah, this is cutting much better. Much better. Yep. Forgive me, Lord, for I know not what I do. I'm only human. I'm only human. And I can tell you right now, they say use olive oil. I don't have any here. It's at my house, my other house. I'm in the process of moving. So, some stuff is here, some stuff is there, some stuff is all over the place. But it said cook this stuff within 3 days, so it's been a little longer than 3 days. So, we're gonna substitute and use what we have, okay? Hopefully they'll let me upload it or whatever it's called. If so, cool. If not, hey. And I hope y'all can see. Let me see. Yeah, you can see me. Because I'm not used to doing this kind of stuff. But they told me to prepare everything, to trim the stems and cut them in halves. Mince the chives. Yeah, we're going to see that. Minced chives, right? Peel the shallot, slice it thinly. Rinse the salmon and pat it. Oh, they use everything bagel seasoning. I use that. But again, it is not here. It's over at my other house. Well, so I was looking at the football game, and the guy got hurt. Cincinnati Bengals and Buffalo Bills. I am not a Buffalo Bills fan, but it looked like that young man had a heart attack or something, the way he got up. Oh, I don't want anybody to get hurt. Football or no football or anything, you know. Just too much in the world going on. I have enough on my own plate. Alright, I'm just getting my mess up, because I will make one. They don't tell me what to turn the oven on, doggone. Oh, it say put it on 400. Is that bake? Conventional oven? Okay. 400. Ooh. Start. Alright, so I have this ready. Okay, it says minced chives. I don't know how you mince chives. What that mean? Mince them. And again, my chopper is at the other house. So I'm gonna rinse them off. And then I'll show you how I'm gonna mince them. Oh my Lord, who moved my scissors? Oh, why won't people leave stuff alone? I don't understand. Oh, who took my scissors? My kitchen scissors. Oh, well, that's how I was gonna mince them. Shoot. Man. My grandkids be here all the time. And if I tell them to get something, and I guess I'm using this, but I was going to use my scissors that come with the knife set. Because I don't know if you can see this, but I'm cutting it real fine. It's the best I could do for mince and honey. So have you guys ever done Home Chef? I used to use them a long time ago. I used to get it all the time. I have not had a bad meal from them, I must admit. But, ouch! Okay, it didn't cut me. It cut my nail, though. Then, I guess it wouldn't bother me, but they're real. Oh, I can smell it. So, you know, how come they couldn't have done this when they sent it to me? Okay, here go the chives. Minced chives. That's done. What else they say do? Peel and half shallots. Shallots. You know what they are. These things. Peel. Oil. Peel. Oh, and you know what? Normally, I put the garbage in their bag. I forgot about that. Oh, this glass water. Yep. That's a chive. I wonder if chives serve any health benefits. Okay, I'm just rattling good. I don't know. I had a rough time. I went from never losing anybody in my family to losing my brother and mother 10 months apart. And normally, I cook on Christmas and have everybody over. And I'm so glad I did it last year because I was in the process of getting this house together that we're in right now. Well, it's not we, it's me. And I said, you know what? It's good enough to, what they tell me to do? Peel and half shallots. Peel and half them. So, anyway, I was able to have Christmas here last year. And I'm so glad I recorded it. Because my mother said the prayer. And she just passed this May the 2nd. And my brother passed August the 19th. 2 days after my birthday. And this has just been a hard time for me. And that's just the truth, y'all. That's just the real truth. I'm gonna be perfectly honest. I said, I don't know what's going on. I said, God won't let me die and I ain't living either. And that's just what I said. Because I was mad at him. Especially for taking my brother. Because now, everybody else in my family, I know people say they don't say halves, but we're halves. He was the only one that we had the same mother and father. And now he's gone, and I feel all alone. Alright, pat salmon dry, wash it off, pat it dry, salt and pepper. And what am I gonna do with you? Okay. Yeah, and I just feel so freaking alone, y'all. I know it's depression, the devil, whatever. But Oh, I don't know if y'all can see me, but I'm taking the salmon out the pack so I can rinse it off and pat it dry. I was so mad. I don't want to say was mad at that because I think I still am mad at him. Oh, why you had to take my brother? Why they had to leave me? So, here I am, talking to probably nobody, but that's okay. Maybe it'll serve as some kind of therapeutic. I don't know. Who knows, child? Who knows? Oh, all red up here. All right. Okay, it says pat the salmon dry. So let's pat it dry. I better get another paper plate because that paper plate is wet and it won't be dry. Pat it dry. Pat it dry. Okay. Season flesh side with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Oh, okay, I got the cheap stuff over here. Well, I got the... Can't see. That's the flesh side. Okay, this is pepper. I wonder if I was supposed to be making the grease hot or something. They didn't say do that. Okay, season. Okay, I did that. Place everything basil seasoning on the other side. Flesh down. They didn't tell me. Good thing I have paper plates. Huh. Sorry. Everything basil. I don't see that. I don't see that. Oh. Oh, God, it's wet all under that microwave. Alright. Well, I can't get my scissors to open it, so I'll use my teeth off. Yeah, and when I say they give you just enough, they give you just enough, baby. Okay, let's see. Pat dry. Place everything vegetable seasoning on a plate. Place salmon on seasoning. Flesh side down. Press. Wait a minute. Place everything bagel seasoning on a plate. Place salmon on seasoning. Flesh side down. Look, y'all see how much they gave me? Child. They make sure you don't have too much, that's for sure. Ain't no extra. Alrighty. Alright, 2. Place veggies. Place a large non-stick pan over medium heat. Okay. I'm gonna move y'all over here in a minute. Medium. Where's medium? Okay, let's see. Well, I turned the oven on. I guess I didn't need to. Well, they told me to. Okay. What I have here is some oil. A little oil that I had saved from whenever. It's not olive oil. I have to tell you that. But it's... Can you see it? So, because it says 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay. Ugh. 1 tablespoon. So we're going to add a tablespoon of this. Okay. So I put a tablespoon of this in there, y'all. All right. Now, okay. Over medium heat. Add Brussels sprouts, shallots, and garlic to hot pan. Well, it ain't hot. I just put it in. It ain't hot yet. See? Oh, that ain't the stove. See? It's not hot. Under construction. Under construction. I don't know why I'm giving y'all a tour now. This is where my last Christmas was. So I figured, because the house is under repair, I figured it was good enough to have a Christmas gathering, which it was. I had the tree and stuff up over there. My mother sat right there. It was nice. But I'm not done working on my house. Baby, it's more than a notion. But I've learned how to do stuff myself. Wait, let me show y'all something. Look at my, I'll say by your mood, some of my drills. See my drills and stuff? I've learned how to do stuff myself. Let me tell you what, let me show you something that's real. Oh, these tools. I'm going to put up the drywall in the bathroom probably later on tonight. But this is my baby right here, my miter saw. See my miter saw? Everybody been asking for it. No, it's mine. So I'll give you guys a tour. Yep, and we did the kitchen too. I'm not done. As you can see, ceiling. I have a ceiling fan going right there. We got to put the framing up. We got to, well, anyway, it's a lot to be done. So that's why I'm still moving. All right. So, okay. Where are we? Okay. Brussels sprouts. Okay. Number 2, cook vegetables with olive oil and garlic salt. Okay, so I'm going to put you in there. Okay. Where's the garlic salt? I know they gave it to me. They didn't give me too much. Garlic salt. Add Brussels sprouts, shallots, and garlic salt. You want me to add all the shallots? Okay. I'm going to just take this over there so I can slide it in the pan. I'm going to bring you guys over here so you can see what I'm doing. But let me finish putting the seasoning in there first. Okay. Add brown sugar to that. Okay, well, alright. Anyway. I'll pour the garlic salt in there. Alright, garlic salt. Add Brussels sprouts, shallots, and garlic salt to hot pan. Stir occasionally until tender. Add brown sugar. Really? Add brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. That's after it's brown. I gotta get my stuff out the dishwasher. I don't have a spoon or fork, and I eat nothing. Out the dishwasher and the sink. Oh, I said I was going to show y'all what it looked like. This is kind of cool. I get to hold the I get to hold the tape instead of picking up the phone. Yes, I've been on here for 19 minutes. I ain't even cooked the meat yet. Okay. So, I'm cooking that until it gets browned or whatever it's gonna get. A little tender. I thought, well, didn't they tell me to turn this oven on 400? Why they tell me to turn the oven on if I ain't using it? Turn oven on 400 degrees, preheat 10 minutes. Well, doggone now. Oh, okay. Okay, the salmon will be going in there. Alright, cool beans. I thought the Brussels sprouts were going in there. Alright. I have to clean up as I go, because ain't nobody gonna come and do it afterwards. I don't know if they're gonna let me post this on YouTube, but whether they do or don't, maybe there's something therapeutic in this or something, I don't know. Alright, so normally I read the directions before I cook it, but I didn't. Alright, in a large non-stick pan over medium heat, Brussels sprouts, shallots, garlic powder. Stir 8 to 10 minutes. Then add brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. This is the brown sugar. Two tablespoons of water and cook until sugar dissolves about 60 seconds while vegetable cooks. Continue recipe. Cook salmon on a medium non-stick pan over medium heat. Well, look, they should have told me I was going to need 2 pans. I think I have another one over here. I have a wok. Okay, maybe I can get it in here. But hey, I told y'all I'm in the process of moving, so please don't judge me. I think I can get those little 2 pieces in here, right? We're gonna do it. I didn't think I would need 2 pans. Oh, but they want me to be able to put it in the oven. I don't know if I could put that in the oven. Boy. Place it, they want me to sear it. I ain't putting my Rachel Ray pan in the oven, though. I can tell you that. I don't know if it will survive. And I'm not in the mood to be tearing stuff up. And I don't know if that's been 8 minutes or not, but these things are still real crunchy. So, see, I'll show you. They still look good. They looking good though, right? Oops, okay. They're looking good, looking good. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna pause because I'm gonna run downstairs and put the clothes in the dryer. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so it's browned and cooked enough, I think. So, see. It's still kind of tough, but I think they cooked enough. Okay, so, it says, okay, cook vegetables, add brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. What I do with the brown sugar? Oh, undo the paper. Okay. So, I'm going to bring you over here. Until you're ready to add the brown sugar. Oh, I got to get 2 tablespoons of water. They can say hot or cold. One, two and a little bit, because I probably spilled when I was walking. And look like that. Spoon. I'm gonna turn it down. I don't know if they told me to do that or not, but it already dissolved. They said until it dissolved, so it's dissolved. Okay. 60 seconds. Okay, the sugar dissolves. 60. While vegetables cook, continue recipe, which is 3. Cook salmon on medium-high heat. Uh-oh, which one of these is the front? Hell, I don't know. Okay, new stove. Yeah, that's a shame. I don't know which one. I think this is the front, I think. So what they mean by vegetables cook? I think I'm done with the vegetables, don't you? While vegetables cook, continue recipe. Well, it didn't say turn it down or nothing. Well, I'm going to have sense and turn it down. Okay, I'm going to have sense and turn it down. I'll put it on low. And I put this on. This is a crazy oven because look, I have high on this side and this side. Same here. High, low, high. Did you see it? High, low, high. What's up with that? This one is to say high and low. And so does this one. Just say high and low. But this is high, ultra. I found out what that means. High, ultra. Ultra means it boils the water quicker than normal. Okay, I put the vegetables on low. I don't, they didn't say cover it up or nothing. So I guess I just let it cook. I think that's kind of food. You know, when I overcook your vegetables, I'm going to take them off. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take them off. Okay. And then medium pan. Okay, y'all going to have to trust me, because I can't hold this, put this fish in the pan. I'm going to turn you around so you can see the pan, okay? Oh, let me read. They want me to cook which side first. Okay, let's see. Cook salmon. Place a non-stick oven, medium heat. 1 tablespoon of water. Season side down. Both sides are seasoned. Seasoning side down. Okay, I guess. Well, I guess. They both fit, I know that. And I'm not going to put that in the oven either. I'm going to use a pan. Oh, Lord have mercy. My pan is over at the other house. Yep. Baby, when I tell you it's difficult doing 2 things out of 2 houses. One day I went to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I had the bread, the peanut butter, and no jelly. I was mad about it. Mad about it. Oh. Well, I thawed all the meat out, so I guess I'll be cooking the other one in a few minutes, too. I don't know. It's a lot on my mind today, so... Okay, let's see. Olive oil. sear in 2 to 4 minutes. Gently flip salmon. Transfer to oven. Seared side up. Okay. Well, this should be non-stickware, right? Shoot. It should be. Look like it. Here's hoping. If it stick, it stick. Alright. They say cook 2 to 4 minutes. Roast in the oven till salmon reaches. Oh, my thermostat thing is over there too. Okay. Oh, y'all ain't seeing nothing. Okay. There it is. Oh, the stove's still on. Why didn't y'all tell me? I mean, that part. But I took the meat stuff off. They didn't tell me to take that off, but I think that's done enough. So, okay, I'm gonna flip it. I gotta put you down. I gotta put you down. Come on, Sammy. Look right. Oh, that's pretty though. Look how pretty it is. It's pretty. See? If you ask me, it's basically cooking in there. All you got to put it in the oven for. But we're going to do what they say do. Then they want me to get a bowl, Lord have mercy. Do I have a bowl over here? Oh, here goes a bowl. And the dishwasher. Okay, so then, anyway. Transfer. Oh, it's still wet, look. Okay, so we're going to transfer this to the pan. The oven pan. Okie dokie pokey. Oh. All right. Voila. Oh. Voila. 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 Okay, we're ready to put it in the oven. Oven is preheated to 400. Okay. Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? It says how long? It says 8 to 10 minutes. So. Ooh. Girl, we got to turn stuff off. Oh, get that. Alexa, start an 8-minute timer. Starting now. Thank you. I don't know how to work the timer on the stove. Whatever. Sue me. It's one of them, everything in here is special. Look, it has Wi-Fi and it's an air fryer. The doggone washer and dryer has Wi-Fi. I'm having issues, baby. Let me tell you. Okay, mix the sauce. In a mixing bowl, combine chives, hot sauce. Mix the sauce. Well, chives and hot sauce. Oh, this stuff. They didn't say this stuff. Oh, mustard. Combine mustard. I don't have a little teaspoon. You got to be kidding me. Oh, there's one. Okay. Combine mustard. Chives and hot sauce to taste. Mustard. Hot sauce. I'm gonna put a bit. Oh, y'all can't see me. I thought y'all were looking at me. Lord have mercy. Okay, well look. Where's that stuff I just put in there? Oh. I just put this in there. The mustard. And I'm just going to put a little bit of hot sauce because I don't like spicy stuff. I put about 3 or 4 drops in the chives. They could have chopped these up before they sent it to me. Stir it up. Stir it up. It says to taste, desired taste. What kind of taste am I looking for? Okay, not bad. I don't know what to tell you it tastes like. It tastes like some kind of sweet mustard with a spice to it. And again, I like this because I can throw everything away in their bags. Let me tell you, it is, what time is it? It's late. And I have a lot going on. Slept all day. So, let's see if I can turn this around. Don't y'all fuss at how bad I, okay. Slept all day. Cried all day, basically. So, looking for the remote so I could turn TV down. Just an elitist to make this cold. Come on, guys. I know this isn't easy. We got this. Trying to get out of this depression. You know, people just don't know. Oh my God, they don't know. They just don't know. And everybody has a remedy. I want to tell them to shut the hell up. Shoot. What works for you don't work for me. Then I got mad at God. Then people tell you, oh, you can't get mad at God again. Shut up, please. God knows me. Probably know me better than you know him. Because I keep it real. Because a person that say they don't get mad at God is probably lying. Because you're human. And things don't work out. And you be in pain. And when I say pain, I mean pain. A deep pain. To where you don't know what to do, who to call on. You call on him, seem like he don't answer. You pray, seem like he still don't answer. Things start to get worse. And I really, really, really believe I'm on a self-destruction mode, whatever. Let me tell you what I did. I took a lot of money, and went down to the casino and just kept getting it out the ATM machine. Yep, I did. Knowing that I need to pay my bills. I'm on a fixed income, honey. And I need to pay my bills, but I did it. And I'm like, God won't let me live and he won't let me die. That's really how I felt. I don't know. My heart just be hurting. And I just didn't want to come home. You know, I saw my brother on the floor, dead. He was coming out the bathroom, and I guess he had a massive heart attack. Yep, that was August the 19th. And go from August to May, my mother passed May the 2nd in my old bedroom. And I felt her last heartbeat because I was there with EMS. And I called the time at 12:33 a.m., May the 2nd. That was her last heartbeat. be wondering, okay, well, why am I here? What am I doing here? What is my purpose? And I don't know if you noticed, but it seems like the older you get, your friends are gone. You don't have as many friends as you used to have. Not to tell y'all my story, but I was with this guy for 28 years, right? From my 20s to 50s, I reckon. Well, maybe 30s, 50s. Anyway. And he decided he didn't want to be together anymore. No apparent reason. I had let all my ships go sailing by in my prime. I was kind of cute in my day. I still halfway decent when I put my makeup on and do my hair. Yeah, but he just decided he didn't want to be together anymore. And he sent me a text and said he just didn't have the courage to tell me. Now, honest to God, for years and still sometime, I feel like, because he's living in a beautiful house out in the suburbs. Oh, Alexa going off. Alexa, turn it off. It was some female. And honest to God, I feel like if I was to kill him, I would be justified. As you don't know, now I let a lot of people go by. Doctors, lawyers, even a judge. Y'all should look me up. I look a whole lot better than this when I'm made up. And about 40 pounds lighter. But I don't think I've overcome that. You know, sometimes you just feel so freaking alone, Jesus. And it hurts so bad. It really hurts. And you have to be careful who you tell your problems to, because everybody you tell your problems to, they're not your friend. You know? And our family, or my family, is so disjointed. I was thinking about having like a immediate family reunion where we spend one long weekend together. But I have to get myself together first. I can't bring anybody together till I get me together. Because I'm going through. I'm going through. And Lord, if you hear me, I hope and pray you hurry up and answer me. I hope you heal my heart. Because it hurts. That is not what this stuff was supposed to be about. Okay, I'm gonna check on the other stuff. Oh, let me turn you around. Oh, ooh, it's hot. It looks done right. Can you see? That was 8 minutes. All right, and so then what does it say do? Plate dish as pictured on front of card. Topping vegetables with almonds and garnishing salmon with sauce. Bon appetit. Okay, well, we're gonna, again, use a paper plate. I do have some better ones than this. Oh, I got my clear ones up here. If I can get it. Okay. Voila! Chinette. I had that for Christmas. So, it says, we're gonna, here's the whatchamajiggle. And it says to toss the almonds. Where the almonds go? I don't know how I'm blading, baby, because I ain't no real player. My grandson. It's for me and him. He ain't gonna like nuts. It tastes pretty good. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the salmon out as soon as I find them. Pot holder. Oh. Well, you know where they belong. Okay, so I'm just taking the stuff out the oven. Oh. I bit my tongue, y'all. Eating the almonds. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Okay. And there is the fish. Oh, I'm not left-handed. There we go. All right, and then put this sauce on top. I don't know how they have it. Well, they have a lot of sauce. And voila. There we have it. And this is theirs. That's theirs. And that's mine. Wow. Listen. Pretty good. Okay, let me see, y'all. I'm gonna fork. All right, now listen. If you don't know this about me, you know nothing else. I am a brutally honest person. So, okay, it's kind of hot. Let's see. Can you see the smoke? Let's see if I turn it on. See the smoke? I'm gonna eat these for a minute. These are really good. These, and I don't like Brussels sprouts. I hate them. But these are good. Oh, the brown sugar. And the onion. Baby, it's good. I'm just dipping my stuff in there so I can see what it tastes like. Oh, Lord. Y'all know I ain't used to using no camera. Oh, hot. That's good. That's hot. But it's good. There. Dang, I hope I didn't drool. I ain't drool, did I? Okay, so the spicy mustard salmon with brown sugar Brussels sprouts. Get 2 thumbs up. Not the best I've ever had, but it's good. Especially when you're hungry. It's hot. I guess I'm supposed to just let y'all see me eat, huh? Good. Okay. Adios.